Check it out, guys. So this thing does work. Magnetic in the back. You can see the magnets, right? Look at that. It's crazy. So when you're driving, you just want to make sure that you hook it up in there, but still strong, and there's a lot of water, full water. It's not bad. Look at that. Come golfing, take your little bag with you. It's perfect. So if you guys ever gonna go golfing and you're sweating like me, just make sure you bring your water bottle. Very secure. It has plenty of pockets. It has back pockets for your wallet, your keys, pretty much anything you want. Also magnetic strap. Plenty of pockets for other waters, other means of liquids that you have. And of course, largest water bottle you can fit in here, and then a strap to go on with it. So if you guys are going to, the next time you're going golfing, like today's a beautiful day, bring this along with you, especially on a hot, humid day. It's perfect. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video.